What is up everyone, this is YouTubeKeN. I am back with another video. I just wanted to make a complete accessories video. Ever since I've been a Tesla owner, I've made about 4 videos so far. One before I even bought the car, and I bought up a lot of stuff, which some of these stuff that I'm going to show you, I'm using them as well. But I have bought a couple of things. A lot of it is accents. I would say it's not massive things besides, you know, changing the lug nuts in my rims, as you'll see in the video as well. But I have made previous videos of some of these accessories. I might place a card up here for you if you wanted to look at my Tesla playlist. All of those videos are in the Tesla playlist as well. I will get back to you after this video. Number 1, valve stem caps. If you want to replace the cheap plastic light gray ones Tesla provides to you, this is a good look. Number 2, wheel lock lug nuts plus Aero wheel caps. I liked the wheel center cap, but didn't like the fact that it was plastic. So I put some black lug nut locks and bought some Aero wheel caps for the center hole and came out with this look. Some people liked it and some people didn't, but no dislikes in the video so far. Now on to the front trunk. Number 3, air intake vent cover. I will remove that plastic cover off the front trunk and you will see the vent cover. This prevents most debris from going into that big open hole. I never peeled off the red tape because it fits perfectly. So now I will put back on the cover. Staying in the front trunk, number 4, screw cover. Older Tesla Model 3s came with a cover, but for some reason they took that out. So this will cover up that 2 holes that you see in the front trunk. It fits perfectly and looks like it is a part of the front trunk. If you ask me, I'm almost positive that it's made of rubber material and it's high quality. Number 5, Tesla OEM carpet mat. There are many other options out there as far as liners though. Tesla themselves, third parties, but I needed to have something before I took delivery. Number 6, front trunk struts. I replaced the OEM struts and put these on so I could have automatic lift. These are only lifts the trunk, not close it. Number 7, charging port wrap in satin black. Wanted to prevent the charge port from scratching. Wasn't that difficult to put on, but you can barely tell that you have one on there. Now on to the trunk. Number 8, rear trunk LED light kit. This definitely is a must-have. The OEM trunk lights are really dim at night. There are so many LED trunk light kits out there, and it's not expensive, but it makes a huge difference. Also in the trunk, if you did notice, number 9 is a Tesla OEM all-weather trunk mat. This trunk is where I wanted to get a liner besides the front trunk, because more stuff probably will be stored back here than in the front trunk. It's high quality material. And up here, number 10 is rear trunk grocery bag hook. That is aluminum, and there are 2 color options, I believe, silver or black. Just screws right on and off. I can't remember the price, but it's a little more expensive than the other plastic options that are available. This is the updated version that's longer because before it was too short for customers. So they complained about it and they updated it. Number 11, door light projector. That's the Tesla logo. You have too many third-party options to accessorize the floodlight if it comes equipped with your vehicle. Number 12, now inside the door, seat switch covers, matte carbon fiber. This is plastic and has adhesive tape. You'll hear a lot of carbon fiber on the inside. Also inside the door, number 13 is the door stopper lock cover protector. The door stopper is just chrome plated. This is hard plastic. It just protects the door stopper, I believe, from rusting. There are aluminum options out there as well, but more expensive. Number 14 is Tesla OEM Model 3 all-weather interior mats. This was not an easy choice for me because there are better options out there for protection. It just really depends on the person's situation. Do you have kids? Do you eat a lot in your vehicle, etc.? My car is always clean, so I really didn't have the need for a liner. These are perfect to go over my carpet mats that came with the car. I just put them right over the car mats. But they fit very well, and it's a good look. Number 15, dashboard cover, matte carbon fiber. I don't dislike the wood dash, but I knew it could look a whole lot better. I love carbon fiber, but I don't like the glossy carbon fiber. That's why I like matte coating. This comes in 2 pieces, which I don't mind because the line, as you can see, is directly behind the 15-inch touchscreen. To complement the dashboard cover, number 16, column shift cover matte carbon fiber as well. One surprising thing is that it looks like the patterns are going the same direction, and this was from 2 different companies that I got lucky, but not a biggie. They just look nice, and most of all, protection. Number 17, center console wrap carbon fiber. No matte, unfortunately. I've been looking to try to get a matte carbon fiber center console wrap. Also, the back air vents for the passengers, they also provided a wrap for that part as well. Number 18, cup holder insert, and that's just another crucial accessory that most Model 3 and Y owners purchase due to how big and ineffective they are at holding drinks. Since we are down here at the center console, let's check out number 19, the center console organizers. I had a third-party organizer that I absolutely loved, and then Tesla released this one, which was higher quality than the third party. I'm sure every new Tesla owner will buy an organizer since it's just a big space in those 2 areas. It's kind of hard to organize anything that way. Just keep in mind, any organizer at night will cover up the lights in those 2 locations, which kind of sucks. But the organizer does slide. You can slide it back as well. Number 20 is a 90 degrees USB-C to USB-A adapter. Within that center console are 2 USB-C ports. For my gaming controller, it is USB-A, so I bought this 90-degree angle adapter so it won't be poking out. And number 21 is a gaming controller. Not really a gamer, but it's good to have that if I want to game sometimes. Number 22, dome light covers, matte carbon fiber. Just to add more subtle carbon fiber accents throughout the car, I bought this accessory. Has 2 pieces. The matte carbon fiber is more expensive than the regular carbon fiber, though unfortunately, I don't know why, but these are pretty nice quality plastic and it sticks to your dome lights via adhesive tape. Number 23, matte tempered glass screen protector. It's really hard to record footage of this, but I tried to show you how well this screen protector fit my screen. I would love the non-matte version, but I record the screen a lot and I don't want a lot of glare coming in. But it sucks because you will have to take a screen quality hit, but it's not too bad. Number 24, armrest hidden storage box. There's a hole in the armrest, and this just gives you more options to hide little things. Number 25, air vent covers under front seats. I never knew there was just an open air vent with no coverage. I didn't want anything going inside the vent. Kind of help protects big debris, and it connects via adhesive tape. Number 26, wall connector, fast charging cable with a USB-C to Lightning. This is very fast. This is the option for iPhone users, but they do have an Android version, but it looks just like a wall connector charger. and it's from Temai, and their products are always high quality. Welcome back everyone. Hopefully you really enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you see fit. This is YouTubeKeN. I'll see you in the next video.